Hey, we're talking begonias today. There are so many different kinds. In fact, I didn't know until 10 minutes ago. This particular begonia, which is a spectacular begonia, is considered Bolivian, according to Google Lens. Um, it has been growing all summer. I think it's going to get even bigger. It was a really great buy. But next to it is the it plant of 2022. It's the Rex begonia, and it is well, it's considered a non-flowering begonia. It does get tiny little flowers, but it's all about the leaves, and there's some really beautiful Rex begonia leaves out there. This one is just wonderful. It's growing a lot. We're right at the end of August, and it's growing like crazy. I don't know how much bigger it's going to get, but I will update it if it does get much bigger. So let's move on, and I will show you others.
This window box is mostly begonias, but it's mixed in with a bit of lavender and Liatris spicata, which are faded but still look really pretty. A cyclamen in the middle, which was supposed to be balanced by two more on either side, but they haven't really bloomed very well. Some successes. Anyway, most of the begonias are these angel wing begonias, which are not my favorite, but it's the only big one that was available at the time, and some people love them. But next to it is a tuberous begonia, which has an amazing blossom. And another tuberous begonia down here. And finally, in a rare moment of quiet down on Beach Avenue, I want to show you a pink and gray Rex begonia surrounded by black mondo grass, along with a knockout rose which is just finishing its first flush. They're the centerpiece of this garden, surrounded by celosia, lobelia, snapdragons, daphne. Down here, more celosia, another Rex begonia. And way in the background, between those pillars, is a combination of regular bedding begonias and California lilacs, which bloom earlier. So, pretty basic. Okay, and we're gonna climb up these steps to poolside, where we have a combination of tuberous begonias with a Rex begonia in the back to give some base color. Here's another combination of tuberous and Rex. You can see the Rex have these great leaves, very exotic and tropical.
Hi, so here's a begonia bed with 3 big Rex begonias in these locations. This is the biggest one I've ever seen. Not that that's saying much, because I've only known about Rex begonia for a couple of years. This begonia, which is surrounding the Rex, I've only known about 10 minutes. It's called an elatia, like elated, kind of like, oh, I'm so elated. Elatia begonia, but you can see they're very weak. They want to fall over. They need a lot of support, and lots of sticks, I guess, which are not the greatest. But they look great right now, so we'll enjoy them this year and get something else next year. Okay.
Finally, here's a combination of wax begonia and Rex begonia underneath the Japanese maple. And we've trimmed the Japanese maple to be a big square from above, and then tried to echo the square below in this very shady bed. You can see the wax begonias have picked up the colors of the maple, and then behind them is Rex begonias that are super pink. And then we have some silvery Rex begonias as well. So, good combination for a very shady bed. Even though this is very bright right now, it's the only time of the day. Okay, until next time.